I have our cream corn. If you do happen to have a little bit left and you are making some chili or stew or soups for the fall, a super good way to use this is to take some cornbread mix. Now you can definitely make this from scratch. I didn't. I just used some of this cornbread mix, super easy, an egg, some vegetable oil. I cut out a little bit of the milk that goes in it, and instead I put a little bit of our cream corn in there, and I used my wooden spoon and I stirred it up, and I'm just gonna pop it in the oven and I'm gonna bake it according to the directions real quick. So our cream cornbread is done, but I am gonna dump a little bit of butter on there. And we got some of this locally grown Kansas hot honey, but we're gonna put just a little bit over the top while this is nice and hot. And then once this is cool, we can cut it up and we're gonna have it with our brisket chili tonight.